hard. Yeah, no, he paying for all of that. He paying for all of that.
What was that, the man?
It was, yeah. What was Oh, we.
Back it up. What you waiting on, nigga? Go!
Oh, they don't want to live. Ah, dang.
Oh, I thought it was actual race. You better have insurance.
I've bought.
Just for that, I'm not doing that. Just for that reason, I'm not doing that.
Oh, he finna get caught in the fan. Oh. Yep, I would have walked away like ain't nothing happened.
Sandy, what was that?
Oh, that's what he gets for standing right there.
That always happens. Wow.
Oh, I would be so mad.
Imagine if we all put money into that.
Oh my God, no, he buying all of it back.
Hey,
he buying all of it back.
Turn around, go buy it back with your own money.
Ain't no way. Oh, look how devastated he is. Wow, she's like, well, game night is over.
Bye-bye,
Oh,
bro.
oh.
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Hell no.
Jesus. Where's... That's not... Why he just didn't climb up the tree at that point? He's the same height as the tree. Oh.
He like, oh, everybody seen that?
Y'all seen that? Oh, damn. Oh, where he was running to?
Come on, throw forward something.
Hey-oh. Oh. He should just let the bike go.
F the whole bike up.
And it's still going. Jesus. Oh! I would have been fighting, bro. I would have been fighting. I have no idea. I would have been fighting. Because what was you trying... Okay.
What was he trying to do?
What's up with the sound?
Oh, I pressed the thing right here. The
what?
sound right here.
Oh. Go back some. He
What was
pushed
he trying
her.
to do?
He pushed... Yeah. Yeah, we would have been saying some words in the car. Oh! She see that rock behind her? And he's hooked. Oh my God.
Why you ain't put the thing in, handbrake on, bro?
Oh!
Perfectly on the, oh, I said perfecto, right on it.
Oh my God.
What's that?
I have no idea what that is. Oh, reverse.
Don't get scared.
Oh, dang. Oh, I've been so mad.
Window open and owl.
No, ma'am.
It gets into your car.
You can have it.
It's your car, bro. It's
You
sold.
can have
it's free.
it. What is he doing?
You got like a 360 camera. What the? Oh, that's an overhead bridge.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a trailer.
What is that? Why he didn't put that thing on? Oh, he wasting all of the.
What's that?
Why he didn't turn it off
Something like
first?
that?
I guess so.
I'm not doing that.
Why he didn't hold on to the string?
I can't simmer. I'm not doing that.
And then he. Yeah. Oh, he's drunk.
Whoever falls on it.
Yeah, that would totally work.
Oh,
Damn. What the hell is that?
it's like clay. Oh my God, that's why I said for kids.
That's why when you're trying to play that rules.
Kids only. dog. That's a horse. Why would they tie him to the trash can?
That's a donkey?
And I'm Annie.
And she's
Yeah, that's how he really feels. Oh, damn! I know that hurt.
Hey, back problems for years.
Oh,
back
that
problems for the next 50 years, boy.
tailbone. Jesus.
I used to hate that. Let's leave it over there. Everybody's going.
Oh.
I'm like, my turn. Come on, let's go. My turn. I'm good. I'm good. My turn.
Why do people do that? We got it holding on to the house.
The
Oh
car?
my gosh.
What's happening?
It's a flood. They took the street. No. Cause what is that? Oh, going down. Oh, he going down. Don't.
What, knock out.
Oh! Hmm.
Ryan's head, I can bet.
Oh! He was aiming for that. Jesus. No, I would let him go.
I can't just let him go. What if he's going out with somebody, his dog, or, somebody walking a dog or something?
Defense upgrade.
Flies, birds.
Oh, he coming for him. Run! Oh, what is that? That's a bat? Wow.
Wait, he got stuck.
Did it?
I think he got stuck.
Yeah,
I think he got
it
stuck.
did. Oh,
Yeah.
that's messed up. Why he like...
Oh, he did that on purpose to let me see if he can
Oh,
Damn.
oh my gosh.
How did that happen, though?
Get out!
I'm getting out.
Shit.
I'm getting out.
You can have it, friend.
I'm getting out. I'm gonna get out.
Home!
He home.
Get down!
He
Get
home.
out!
Lady, he's obviously not listening to you.
At all. He not
You
going
get
nowhere.
out.
He
You
ain't
get out.
going nowhere.
That's his house now.
Get down!
No, ma'am.
What you got here?
Oh, she's making a sandwich. Oh, got it.
Go away!
He eating like he paid rent.
Fine, go! Go! Go on!
Move the camera over.
Right.
Go!
Oh, he bust through the screen. Jesus. Where's everything going?
spell it TWO.
TWO. Whoa.
Whoa.
What?
What?
Whoa.
TWO.
TWO is 2.
Oh my god.
Wow. Wow. TWO.
What's your name got,
He is
bro?
too doggone big. What he thought? Candy ball? What is that?
Cats.
Oh, catch it. Ah, damn.
Damn.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Oh no. Nope.
Oh, look like he just.
Did he let it go? Wait. Oh, he passed out.
He passed out.
Look at his feet. His feet just. Okay. No. You couldn't pay me. You couldn't pay me all the money in the world to do skydiving. Nope.
Let's do fucking ground, bro. The highest I go is on plane.
No.
That's it. But yeah, guys, we gonna end this video right here. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. And like what I said earlier, guys.